So once you have them all spread out, you want to create 6 water molecules and 6 carbon dioxides. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. All right, once you have your 6 carbon dioxides and your 6 water molecules, you want to go ahead and get rid of all the extras. So now we have just our starting point, 6 waters, 6 carbon dioxides. Now with this, you should end up with the end products of photosynthesis, which are 6O2 and glucose, which is C6H12O6. So yes, you can memorize how to construct it, but there's a lot of little things that happen in between. If you get into biochemistry and cell biology, they'll cover all of this. But for our purposes, we just want to take this and convert it into glucose and 6 extra oxygens. This is 6CO2. Need 6 O2s at the end. So, okay, again, fast forwarding to the end. All right, so there's 6 O2s here. All right, done. Got it. Remember, everything is balanced. So that means glucose is going to be this water with these carbon dioxides now. All right. Now, if you look at the image that I'm going to put right here, you're going to be using this one. Glucose is a 3-dimensional model, but we're just using a 2-dimensional one to keep things simple. You'll notice that carbon is the backbone. Okay, so carbon right down the middle. And it's flanked on either side by these oxygens and hydrogens. So how do you know, oh man, which one's which, or which side is which side? For right now, don't worry about it too much. You do notice that on the inside, if you look at the diagram, the carbon has an oxygen right next to it. Look at the diagram. Hydrogens are always on the outsides. They're always on the outsides, except for the one at the top. And really, there's no top or bottom. If I flip this around like this, again, there's no real top or bottom. I want you to focus on these right here, these 4. If you look on either side of them, it'll look something like this. Okay. Notice what I just did though. Look, I took a water, and basically that's what carbon is doing. It's smashing itself in between a water. Look, I'm gonna take another water right here. And notice how, again, the carbon is next to the oxygen. So you're gonna take another one and put it right there. And look, I got another water and carbon on the inside. And again, give me a second. Like I said, I'm trying to make this easy. Like this. And then let's just go like this. Okay. Not done yet. Not done yet. And if you're like, wait a minute, Avila, isn't the third one? Look. If you do it like that, it's fine. If you did it like this, for right now, it's fine. Okay. Just so long as the oxygen and the carbon are connected to each other. Now, what about the ends? You'll notice on the diagram, one end has 3 hydrogens and one end only has 1 hydrogen. So look, this is literally all you have to do. Oh, but wait, on the diagram, what if it's on the other side? Look, it's the same thing. Look, it's the same molecule. Okay, there really is no up or down. See, so if I had built it like this and then I did that, totally fine. The main point, look, build your carbon backbone. Put it in between your waters. Again, if it looked like this, notice how I'm building it. All the oxygens are connected to a carbon. If you do this, still fine. So once you're done putting your waters in, just take this hydrogen on the outside, move it there, boom, glucose. So there it is. Glucose and 6 O2s. There it is.